Hello everyone, my name is Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about cellular energy in our cell and molecular biology section. Cellular respiration is a series of metabolic reactions that convert chemical energy into ATP energy for our cells. Here's our lesson overview for this video. First, we're going to talk about catabolism, an overview of cellular respiration. Next, we're going to talk about glycolysis and the citric acid cycle. And lastly, we're going to talk about anaerobic respiration and fermentation. So first, let's talk about catabolism. So catabolism is the process of breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones, taking proteins and turning them to amino acids, taking polysaccharides and turning them to monosaccharides, taking fats, turning those into fatty acids. All of these will feed into the citric acid cycle, and this will generate ATP for the cell. Here's our cellular respiration equation. So glucose plus 6 oxygen will turn into 6 carbon dioxide, 6 water, plus energy. And here's it laid out mathematically. Here's an overview of all the steps